Today I'm showing you guys workflows and automations that you can apply to both of these tools, Codex on the left and NotebookLM, to create a powerful AI workflow or automation to help power your business, personal life, whatever it is. One thing to note, both of these tools are amazing. Codex is an amazing platform for development, for everyday work, but it's not the best when it comes to research. That platform, number one in my opinion and probably yours, is NotebookLM. NotebookLM's deep research, as well as ability to find high quality resources and ground all your answers in those sources, makes it probably the best research tool to work with. But what if you could combine both of these tools together and create something powerful? Well, that is what I'm going to show you. Before we do anything, one thing we need to set up for any of this to work is allowing NotebookLM and Codex to communicate with each other. And there is a way now for us to do that very easily. So yesterday, Codex got a new feature where it was able to add an extension into Chrome, which basically allows it to connect with your Chrome and work on the applications that are live in your Chrome. And that application, obviously for today, is going to be NotebookLM. So how do we enable that? So it's pretty simple. We click on the side over here, then we go into plugins, and there is a Chrome control plugin over here. So you'll click on that and then it'll tell you how to do it. And then all you have to do is open. So I already have this open, but you can see Chrome. You can use Chrome to do other things as well with Codex now. You can fill in your expenses, whatever the case is, but this allows us to connect with our NotebookLM. So once you are in Chrome, if I just open this up, for example, it's pretty simple. The way you would add any single extension into Chrome is the same way you add that. And once that is live, you can see that you will have this Codex plugin at the top and it will say that it's connected, meaning you know everything is set up properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is initialize a connection to this new notebook that I've created. So pretty simple to create a new notebook. I don't need to explain that, but copy this, copy the link to your new notebook and just tell Codex, connect to this notebook and press enter. So it looks like our notebook is connected. We can see we got the message over here, connected. The NotebookLM notebook is open in Chrome and ready at the add source dialog. So we know that we have officially connected our new notebook to our Codex chat right now. And now the simple automation I'm going to show you right now is that, okay, I have my Universe of AI channel. What I want Codex to do is every day, whenever I post a new video, I wanted to add it to this notebook to create a recurring database of all my channels so I can take some insights from them. That's just the example that I'm showing, but you can apply this to anything. Let's say you are studying a new course or you're studying a new channel or you're trying to keep up with your competition or you're trying to keep up with new information about a particular stock. You give it that source and you create an automation that every day at this time, for example, that source gets added to your notebook and you don't have to do that manually, and Codex and NotebookLM will get that done. So I'll give it my YouTube channel. So I've copied the link to my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to say, every day in this notebook, add the latest video as a source from this channel, and I've linked it to my channel on the right over here, and create the automation to work every day at 9 a.m. And then all you have to do is press enter. So you can see the automation is created. So every day daily at 9 a.m. is going to add the latest video from Universe of AIZ into the NotebookLM video. And this is the automation ID. I already made one test one, so I called it NotebookLM 2.1. But now you can actually run this automation and you can see that it's going to do this for you automatically. So let me just say, I'm just going to type in run this now to show you guys this. So you can see we have this message at the top over here that Codex is debugging this browser, meaning the automation is working right now. And you can see on the left that it's finding the latest YouTube video. So it's going to open up YouTube, go to my channel, find this latest video, grab that link and put it in as a source. And as I said, this is just an example of what the automation could be like. Be creative, think about your own business needs, think about what you can do, think about your own education needs, and you can create this automation to update your NotebookLM notebook every day by itself without you having to do anything. So we can even see that, okay, the latest channel upload visible at the top is GPT Realtime 2. That's the video I posted yesterday. And then we are going to see NotebookLM actually put it in as a source into this notebook now. Everything that's happening on the right, I'm not controlling it. It's actually Codex opening up my browser, opening up the add sources feature. If you look at my mouse, it's over here. So everything you're seeing on the right is done by Codex by itself, and it's an automation. I'm not doing it. You can see it pasting it as well. So everything is done. And look, that is it. We have our newest NotebookLM automation done and it's complete. Now, every day at 9 a.m., you know that your notebook is going to get updated. So if you're tracking a particular topic, you're tracking a particular, I don't know, maybe a YouTube channel or even a sports team, whatever the case is, that automation you can set up. And if you just wanted to see where your automations live, if you go to the left over here and click on automations, so we have the one I created as a test before, and then we have another one that I just did right now. So daily at 9 a.m., you have your automations over here. You can also click on this and then you can see it runs active. Tomorrow at 9 is going to do the last one, runs in local, daily, repeat, what model it's using, reasoning, everything like that. So you know that this automation is live and you will have a live notebook being updated every single day. Before we continue, we just launched the Universe of AI newsletter. If you want to stay on top of AI news without having to hunt for it, link is in the description. Don't miss out. Now that we have our automation set up, we know that we're going to get new information every single day in our NotebookLM. And what's really cool about this is that this kind of opens up possibilities for future automation as well as actual work. One of the biggest limitations with NotebookLM at the moment is what you can actually do with it. You're kind of limited to all the things you see on the side: audio, create a slide deck, video, mind map, reports, which is great. It's good for NotebookLM features. It's good for learning something. Let's say you have a notebook like this. Maybe it's a real estate notebook that has all the information about the markets you're tracking, whatever the case is. And let's say you want to send that information to your team members. You have a couple of options. You can share this notebook, but it's a notebook. Like, they're not really going to understand what to do with this. You can share a report. But other than that, the limitation is that a lot of people don't want to look at reports, especially comprehensive reports. So once your notebook is connected, you can also set up an automation that allows you to send actual emails to your people about key insights from your notebook. And the way you would do that is by enabling Gmail in Codex. So if you haven't done that already, go on the side over here. Then similarly, like how we set up the Chrome extension, click on plugins and then connect your Gmail. You can also connect Google Drive, Teams, whatever you use, even Outlook email. The possibilities that you have, there's a bunch of them over here, like a bunch of plugins that are available to you. So depending on what type of work you do, it should be able to handle that. Then we'll go back to our notebook. And then once we're back in our notebook, we can create something like draft and then click on this command and then click on Gmail. This allows you to open up the Gmail, draft an email of the latest learning from the newest video, and then press enter. So you can see it's going to use the Gmail function, the plugin, and is going to use the source, the NotebookLM, and is going to understand the newest video's main takeaways to create our email. And then it's asking, who should I address this draft email to? So then I'll just put in my business address, and then I'll give it the email I wanted to send an email to. Then I'll press enter. All right, so it's telling us that it has created a draft in Gmail to this account, and its subject is the latest learnings from the newest Universe of AI video. That's the draft ID. So if I actually go into my Gmail, you can see we have our email ready for us. And look at this draft. Here are the latest learnings from the newest Universe of AI video. The biggest update is blah, 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 blah. The second major theme, whatever it is, it also added in the source. So that is how powerful these automation is. You can also automate this as well. And I've shown you guys how to create an automation. So right now I just did a one-off example, but you can create an automation so your whole workflow pipeline could look something like this. Automatically update your notebook with the latest sources or latest information for any topic or website or whatever it is you're tracking. Then create another automation to get those learnings into actual work products like email, team messages, whatever it is. By setting up a workflow like this, you are going to save so much time for yourself, as well as save so much time for your clients by being more proactive and sending them automations like this. Let's say you're a real estate agent, as I mentioned. You could have a notebook that has all your market insights, you're tracking a couple of websites, sources, things like that. Build your database. NotebookLM is going to build your database, your knowledge database, and use Codex as your automation layer to allow you to create a real work product that you can send to your clients, because nobody wants a 10-page report. They want a simple email like this, or maybe a message. You can even create a content pipeline like this, like have NotebookLM gather information from the best channels you want, then create tweets, automate them in Codex using these features I showed today. So the possibilities are endless. The creativity is up to you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys try out this workflow, and if you find this workflow helpful, please support the channel by subscribing to the channel, as well as sharing this video to your friends, family, whoever could benefit from it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Follow our new newsletter as well at universeofai.beehive.com, as well as subscribe to the main channel World of AI, and support us on X by following the Universe of AIZ as well. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.